From the surface, you would have no idea that this is happening. It has remained hidden from view until now. A modern industrial bottom trawler scours the ocean floor with a chain or metal beam, forcing anything it disturbs into the net behind. It smashes its way across the seabed, destroying nearly everything in its path, often on the hunt for just a single species. Almost everything else is discarded. Over 3/4 of a trawler's catch may be thrown away. It's hard to imagine a more wasteful way to catch fish.